Hello, it's Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blogspot. It is Wednesday, the 11th of April, 2007. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some stocks for trading on Thursday. Research in Motion was down after the close. That might make shorts a little bit more effective on Thursday. We'll see. I don't have a lot of ideas here today, but let's start out with it short. Let's start out with Broadcom, symbol BRCM. We tried this earlier in the week and didn't get a entry because it didn't meet the parameters. But it looks like the stock is ready to drop once again. You can see here it fell on increasing volume, rallied up on decreasing volume up to this longer-term moving average, the 50-day moving average rather. And if we look at a short-term time frame, that is the 10-minute time frame, you can see that we've got that 5-day moving average that seems to be acting as resistance right now. And it looks like the sellers are slowly regaining control in here. So what I'd like to see happen would be to sell the stock short below $32.30 a share. We could then put our stop up at about $32.68, which is above that 5-day moving average and above Tuesday's high as well, Wednesday's high as well. And I think the stock has the ability to drop down towards about $31 a share. Now, earlier in the week I made our target 31, but the market was acting a lot more bullish. So now that we've got a little bit more of a defensive environment, I think we could see a further retracement down towards the $31 level. If that's the case, well then we're just risking 38 cents on this stop right here for the opportunity, hopefully, to make a $1.30 in profits if Broadcom does drop down towards $31 a share. International Securities Exchange, we also tried that one actually today. But it pulled back within a penny of where I wanted it to see it pull back to, but close enough, but not close enough actually, but close, but no luck on that one. So what I'd like to see in here would be just a small retracement back to 49.75 or lower, and then to buy the stock above 49.85. So let's look for a little bit of a pullback to at least 49.75. Then purchase it on strength above 49.85. Our stop could go at about $49.40. And using that same target that we had of $51 a share yesterday, then I think that it looks like it's still worth taking this trade for a potential $1.15 on the upside and just 45 cents of risk in ISE. Lastly, we'll look at FuelCell, symbol FCEL. You can see something happened here on big volume recently, and the stock broke out, gapped higher, pulled back down. It's holding right at this 200-day moving average. That's what we're looking at here, and you can see that on the weekly time frame represented by that green 40-week moving average. So now on a 10-minute time frame, the 5-day moving average has been declining. It still is declining, but I think it's about to flatten out and head higher, particularly if the stock can take out this afternoon's high here in the mid-morning high of $7.63. So above $7.63, I think it makes sense to purchase this stock. And we would then, so that's right here, $7.63. We could then set our stop at $7.47 a share right down here. And that will give us 15 cents of risk in this stock, or 16 cents of risk. And I think the stock can make it up towards about $8.25 as a minimum upside target. So that gives us a risk-reward risk of 15 cents for the opportunity to make 63 cents in FCEL.